Today I would like to show you a product that heavily improved my production workflow. We're talking about the FEELWORLD FT6 FR6 wireless video transmission monitor set. So this is a 5.5 inch IPS display monitor, or we have to say two monitors. They transmit and reproduce the image in full HD, so 1920 by 1080, and one of the other nice features they have is the touchscreen. So I have to say, a little disclaimer first of all, that FEELWORLD was so kind to send those monitors over to me in order to review them and test them out. However, I'm not getting paid for giving my opinion about them. So I have been using those two monitors on several different shootings the last couple of months, because I wanted to make sure that when I give you my feedback, it is the most accurate and most comprehensive possible. So of course those monitors have a lot of the features that most of the monitors that you get on the market right now have, like the waveforms, your false color, the possibility to load your own LUTs on them. So the most important point for me why I went for those two monitors was just the fact that when you compare them to traditional video transmission systems, they are so much easier. Traditionally, and if you're into video making, you might obviously already know this, you needed a transmitter, a receiver, batteries for both transmitter and receiver, the cables for them, the monitors, the batteries for the monitors, and it was always a big hassle to set them up, and also took quite a bit of time. So compared to those traditional systems, the FT6 FR6 set is just set up in a breeze. It's just so much easier. All you need is a cable to get the signal out of your camera into the transmitter monitor, and you have it already on your receiver monitor. This system gives you 250 meter transmission range with just a couple of batteries and one cable. Talking about the batteries, that brings me to another point, which is the possibility to hot swap the batteries while they are on your monitor. So the monitor actually warns you when one of the batteries is running out of power. All you need to do is tap on the battery which has more power left in order to continue using the one with more power and being able to swap out the one that is running out of power. The video transmission system built into those monitors has a wonderful feature, which is the 11 channels that you can choose for your transmission frequency. So let's say you're using one of the channels and the transmission is not very stable, or you have some interference in there, you are still able to choose one of the 10 other channels left in order to make sure to get the perfect transmission conditions. The lightweight of only, I think it is about 370 grams of those monitors without the battery makes them perfect for focus pulling. I have actually used them in a couple of shootings, as I said previously, and also the super fast latency of only 70 milliseconds really surprised me and made those monitors perfect for focus pulling in any of the shoots I've been using them till now. The last two features I would like to mention are the possibility that you can load your own LUTs onto the monitors, and also the fact that it has an 8-volt output. That means that you can power your camera with it. So now we come to the only 2 points I found about those monitors which I don't really like, which is first the fact that they are not really bright. If you are shooting a lot outside, then you should consider to find yourself a spot with a little bit of shade in order to see what you have on your monitor. And second, the monitors come with a kind of sun hood, which I don't really like, because they don't cover the whole screen, just on top of the monitors, the sun hood, and also the frame that needs to be attached to the monitors in order to connect the sun hood to them is a little bit flimsy. It's made out of plastic compared to the monitors themselves, which have a great build quality. Those frames are made out of plastic. I'm not really a fan about them. However, I think that those two facts shouldn't turn you down if you would like to buy those monitors They're a fantastic kit. I really like them, and I definitely add them to my production kit. I hope this video was helpful. If you're thinking about buying those FEELWORLD monitors, let me know if you have any questions. Subscribe. Thanks a lot, and I see you in the next one.